Welcome to Fonts Learn. In this video, I'll show you how to implement logout functionality in ASP.NET MVC. We will create an admin login partial view allows you to implement session logout. Next, open your login partial view, then copy your HTML code into the admin login partial view. Next, open your admin layout view, then cut the logout section and paste it into admin login partial view. You can delete the unnecessary sections and then modify your logout form. We will replace the default JSON name with your current username once you have successfully logged in. Finally, add your admin login partial view to admin layout. And don't forget to modify your redirect to action to account controller when you log out. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.